Mimi Moon, it's playtime! Hi, friends. I'm Mimi. Today we're going to the jungle with Mommy.
Let's count animals together.
Come on, friends. Wow, friends! One silly monkey. One monkey. The monkey says, "Ah!"
Let's find more animals.
Look, Mommy. 2 big cows. 1, 2, moo!
Look, Mimi. The duckies live in the pond.
Oh. Ow.
3 cute duckies. 1, 2, 3.
Wow! 4 little lions. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mommy! Wow!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elephants.
Goodbye, friends.
See you next time.